Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with LMA, DFMU. What does DFMU mean? What DFMU mean, guys? I don't know. LMA. I don't know, but I'm sure I'm gonna find out what it means in this song. So, LMA, big up yourself. We're gonna react to your song. First song I'm gonna react to for you. Let's get it.
Like a glimpse from the past, you conceal the dark. In a frame, you're the poster up on the wall. In my dreams, you're the prince and I'm at the bar. Fairy tales, I'm not used to the man. Oh.
Pull up! My type of job. Yeah. My type of shit. Ella, pick up a bumper class, them girl. Yeah. Why not?
Like a glimpse from the past, you conceal the dark. In a frame, you're the poster up on the wall. In my dreams, you're the prince and I'm at the bar. Fairy tales, I'm not used to the man. Oh, you got me questioning, what have you done to me? Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tugging, warring with my heart. Didn't think it'd ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard.
Me like it. Obviously, she has to, yo, let's go.
You know I wanna be around. You tugging, warring with my heart. Didn't think it'd ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need a
DFMU, don't fuck me up. I got it. Don't fuck me up. You hear me? Don't fuck. Alright, let's go.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from your mouth. Can't wait no longer, tell me now. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think when my heart's in his hand? Gotta learn how to let someone in to hold. It take time, gotta trust who I let control. Got me questioning, what have you done to me? Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tugging, warring with my heart. Didn't think it'd ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown.
Just sing to you, just say, yo, don't fuck me up, don't let me down, basically. Yo, listen. She just said, listen, what me I gonna do, I give you my all, don't take it for granted, don't fuck me up, don't let me down, pussy me gonna kill you. Throw a tile in your ears when you're asleep, man. Yes, man, strongly in your sleep, man. That is what she's saying to him in a different words, not me.
I'm letting down my guard.
Take a chance.
Me up, don't let me down.
Yeah.
Cause if it's love, I wanna drown.
We can see this, like a lot of girls is gonna be singing this song, to them imaginary man. Enough of them not a man, but a lot of girls also gonna be singing this to them man, to them husband. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. This is how me, you understand? Yeah, me I give me all, so you better give me your all. I like it a lot. Let's go.
I need to hear it from your mouth. Can't wait no longer, tell me now. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see, boy. Yeah, I know where I wanna be. Just wanna know what your loving means. Oh, don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tugging, warm with my heart. Didn't think you'd ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. 'Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from your mouth. Can't wait no longer, tell me now. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't let me down, don't let me down, let me down. Hey, yeah. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
Bad shibum buckler, bad ladies. When you find a good man like this and you give him your all, and him fuck you up and let you down, and the worst thing that happened to you, don't it? Fellas, when you buck up on some nice girl, some down to earth, dieted girl with just beautiful inside and out, and wanna be by your side, nah, don't fuck it up, brother. Good people are hard to find in these times, man. Good people are hard to find. So if me have a girl that sing this to me and I say, yo, don't, and me can feel say she real, me there with you. Me not go nowhere. Yeah, I'm a G. I'm a ride or die. I'm a thug. You see me? Bro. Ella, big up yourself, yeah, man. Big up yourself. Real song. But yeah, don't fuck me up. Don't let me down. Yeah, Dan? I like it. Guys, this time I'm going to leave that one still. I'm going to go to RSR because I have a soft spot to her. Obviously, I have the music police. I'm going to go to RSR today. I have a soft spot for her. So, I'm going to go RSR. I'm going to make sure do her thing. I go caress her. I'm not RSR. I go caress her. That scene when I'm in the car, that me and she that in the car. Yeah, steaming car. Car steaming. Not when the car is taking a dive, no. When the car is steaming up, that is me and she in the car, yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to leave down. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like by the video. Please subscribe around here if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. No?